To order a custom-made external projection frame, it is necessary to measure the opening width and the opening height of the window. Let's take a look at how to install a frame with a shutter box outside of the window compartment. Insert the plastic entry guides on the sides of the previously assembled shutter box. Then insert the guides. Connect the crossbar to the mobile guides using the inner stoppers. For easier installation, disassemble the shutter box and remove the iron tube. Place the frame and the box outside of the window compartment. Leave a 2 mm width of space to prevent the crossbar from scraping against the wall. Make sure that the projection frame is well positioned. Then install the shutter box and the guides in correspondence with the outer holes. Place the rod on the windowsill with the eyelets facing inward. Insert and fasten the arm in the nylon bushing, paying attention to the correct positioning. Lightly screw the arm to the guide. Position and fasten the eyelets on the windowsill. Continue by placing the iron tube and the rolling shutter in the box. Close the shutter box. Place screw covers over the outer holes. Position and fasten the nylon rest arms on the wall. Fasten the crossbar. Close the projection frame and make a mark above the connecting plate of the arm to keep it correctly positioned on the wall. Then tighten the screws to complete installation. The projection frame is correctly installed outside of the window compartment.